Hi, Philip Griffith here. Can you believe we're just 1 week away from Christmas? As your photo story guide, I know this is officially crunch time. If you were hoping to give a photo-related gift like a photo book, a slideshow, or a framed print, but December got away from you, take a deep breath. You still have some great options. One solution is PSG Photo Solutions gift certificate, which buys you something incredibly valuable right now: time. We've worked with many families who had wonderful photo ideas for Christmas, Mother's Day, graduations, birthdays, and even anniversaries, but underestimated how long it takes to select the photos and create something truly meaningful. A gift certificate lets us slow down the process after the holidays and create a keepsake your loved one will truly cherish. And here's another meaningful gift option you may not have considered: a half-hour photo consultation. This is perfect for the person in your life who says, I really do need to do something with my photos. I just don't know where to start. In 30 minutes, we'll tackle one or two of their biggest photo hurdles and give them clarity, direction, and confidence to move forward. Sometimes the greatest gift isn't the finished photo book, it's helping someone finally get unstuck. Both options honor your loved one's stories and their timeline. No rushing, no pressure, just thoughtful, intentional steps towards preserving memories that will last for generations, while still celebrating life right now. If you'd like to learn more about gift certificates or the half-hour consultation, send me a DM or an email, or leave a comment below. Let's make this holiday season meaningful even now when time is short.